Today, we are going to train your English voice with present continuous and present simple. We use the present simple for things in general or things that happen repeatedly. Have a look at that timeline. We have the past, which is actions that have already happened, such as yesterday, last week, or last year. It's in the past. Then we have now, which is the present, something that is happening now. And then we have future, something that hasn't happened yet, such as tomorrow, next week, or next year. So we are in the present for the present simple tense. And we use this for things in general or things that happen repeatedly. So let's have a look at some examples. Sentence 1, I speak English. That is a general statement. Have a look. The verb, speak. It's in the present simple tense. Sentence 2, I always get hungry in the afternoon. That sentence tells us something that happens repeatedly. The word always tells us that. So it is a present simple tense sentence. Sentence 3, I walk to the shops. It's a general statement. It's the present simple tense. We use the present continuous for things happening at or around the time of speaking. The action is not complete. So have a look at the timeline. We have now the present, and it is I am doing something. So let's have a look at some examples. Sentence 1, I am speaking English. Now have a look at that verb. It has ing on the end, speaking. That shows that it is continuous. Okay? So I am speaking English right now. I'm not finished. It is something that is happening in the present. It is present continuous. The word am shows we are in the present. Sentence 2, I'm getting hungry. I am, I'm. So am shows that it is present, and the verb has ing on the end, getting. That shows that it is continuous. Sentence 3, I'm living with my parents. I am, I'm. Am shows the present, and we have ing on the verb live to make it living. That shows that it is continuous. It has not yet ended. Excellent job today. Well done. Goodbye.